Oh, hey, dude. Was wondering if you wanted to go to. Wait, sorry, dude. I was wondering if you wanted to go to the corner store and grab some brute. Sorry, dude. I was wondering if you want to go to the store and grab some brews so we can try.
Two beers in, going for the win.
Oh, wait. So you? Wait. Are you... So you mean me and you go to the store and you want to, what kind of
going for the win.
what kind of beers do you want to drink? Cause I mean I got this cough. Well, I don't know, dude. It's kind of up to you, cause I mean, I kind of had this cough. I have this cough too. I kind of have that cough too. I think I got it at work from certain things. I don't know, man. It's up to you, though. I picked the beers last time, so I'm thinking maybe. Man, this cough, man. I think you gave it to me. Never mind the cough. We'll be fine. Just, if it were me, I'd get the Boston Lager because it's more of a... It's more like it's better beer for your throat. Well, dude, we can go for some old chubs, like, wanna go for the old chubs? Man, this cough's kicking my ass, dude. Or we can go for the little somethings. What do you think? Well, I don't know. I mean, it goes both ways. I was thinking, the dogfish, think of dogfish head in your brown ale. Because I think this one, it says that since it's a classic, it's their highest recommendation. It's usually it's really good for the throat. Dude, wait a minute. How about the fucking Purple Haze, man? Speaking of Purple Haze, Fucking Dean. Fuck that girl at work. I think this dude, Dean. Fucking rip this off, man, with some shit. Some shitty ass fucking pots, dude. Fuck their lungs up. Let's get the fucking purple haze, man. That's what I'm down for. Dude. Yeah, dude, got it. Oh, dude, she got. Dude, she's hot. Dude, come here. I'm coming, dude, I'm coming.